Do you want the truth? Well, brace yourself because
You can't handle the truth!
don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the challenges and triumphs of building a successful KDP business. Now, this has been playing on my mind for some time. I want to make sure you are very clear about Kindle Direct Publishing, and I'd like to reveal the truth behind all the hype. There are countless YouTube videos out there claiming that KDP is a quick and easy way to make money. But I'm here to set the record straight and to provide you with the facts. So let's get started. Fact number 1, quick money. First and foremost, let's address the elephant in the room. KDP is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Many YouTubers might lead you to believe that you can make a fortune overnight, but the reality is far from it. Success on KDP requires hard work, dedication, and long-term commitment to your craft. Don't be fooled by those who promise instant riches. It takes time and effort to build a successful KDP business. Fact 2, misleading information. Another common issue with KDP-related content on YouTube is the abundance of false or misleading information. Some creators might exaggerate their earnings or downplay the challenges involved in KDP to create books that sell. Always be cautious when consuming this type of content, and remember to do your own research to verify any claims made. Whilst there are some genuine strategies out there, always do your due diligence. The reality: passive income potential. Now that we've debunked some myths, let's talk about the real potential of KDP. Yes, it is possible to generate passive income through KDP, but it requires consistent effort and a long-term strategy. To succeed, you'll need to invest time in researching profitable niches, creating high-quality content, and marketing your books effectively. It's not a walk in the park, but with dedication and persistence, you can build a sustainable income stream through KDP. To put yourself in the right frame of mind, watch this video on mindset. Becoming focused on where you are headed is essential for your success. So why should you follow Wombat Coaching? By following the Wombat Coaching channel and watching our videos, you'll benefit from accurate information about KDP and valuable tips for improving your mindset for success. I'm committed to providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to thrive in the world of Kindle Direct Publishing. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more insightful content. So there you have it, the truth about Kindle Direct Publishing. While it's not a quick and easy path to riches, KDP does offer the potential for passive income if you're willing to put in the hard work and stay committed for the long haul. Remember, success on KDP is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep learning, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights from Wombat Coaching.